Ladies, this is liquid gold. Yes, I'm telling you the real fact. If you want to see how I made this drink using peanuts, just peanut, for tightening your womanhood, then I think you would enjoy this video. Hello lovelies, and welcome back to Uzzielle TV. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the amazing benefits of groundnut water, also known as peanut water. It is a simple DIY on how to use groundnut water to regain your womanhood. Yes ladies, I've got you this time around. Some persons attribute loosening of the vaginal walls to having sex with multiple partners. Others say it's because of pregnancy and childbirth. There hasn't been any known scientific fact as to what really causes the vaginal walls to get loose. In as much as this is a topic that some women are scared to talk about openly, I felt I needed to share with you guys a simple recipe that can help anybody who might be finding herself in this situation and is seeking help. I'm also going to add a bonus at the end of the video and give you an exercise that you can also incorporate with the recipe that I'm going to share with you. That way you have multiple things working at the same time for the same purpose. I have to give a warning though. This recipe I'm going to share with you is a very potent recipe, and so I would want you to watch till the end of the video. That way I give you the dosage and the recommendations so that you begin to see results immediately. Also bear in mind that results vary from persons to persons. At this point, if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, join the family, because we spread a lot of positivity around here. Also click the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you're notified when I have new videos like this. Also feel free to share my video with every woman you know out there. That way we are helping each other. Without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. The only ingredient you're going to need in this recipe is peanuts or groundnuts. Here I have got raw peanuts. It says here raw peanuts, but with the look of things, this does not really seem raw to me. I guess this is just slightly roasted. If you do not have raw peanuts and you have roasted peanuts, you can also go ahead and use roasted peanuts or groundnut. I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done. I have just deshelled it, but I still left the skin on, and so right now I'm going to give it a quick rinse and then we'll proceed to the next step. So I have just put water into the pot. I actually didn't measure the water, I just eyeballed it, and I think this is enough because I'm going to let this boil for about 30 to 45 minutes, and so the water is still going to reduce in size, which is why I used enough at the starting stage so that by the time it's boiled I can still get up to the recommended dosage. Whilst we're bringing the peanuts to a boil, I just want to also come up and let you know the benefits of peanuts or groundnuts. So let me emphasize that what you need is raw peanuts or roasted peanuts. If you're using raw peanuts, make sure it is sun-dried or dried in the oven. However you want to let it out for some days to dry up, that's fine. Also, you do not need to use any kind of flavored peanuts. No salt, no sugar, no whatever in the peanuts. Let it be raw, fresh, organic. Or if you're going for the roasted one, make sure it still has the skin in it, because the skin contains a lot of the benefits that we need for this to work. Besides the fact that this remedy is for tightening, or this recipe is for tightening the womanhood, it also offers the body a lot more benefits. Peanuts are abundant in vitamins like B6, like iron, like copper, like niacinamide, like zinc, like potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, vitamin E, niacinamide, folate, pantothenic acid, thiamine. Oh my gosh, it's packed with a whole lot of nutrients that are beneficial for the body, not just for tightening the womanhood. The potent anti-aging molecule found in red wine can also be found in peanuts. This is really a powerful, packed full, nutrient-based drink that is going to help tighten your pelvic wall. So I think I boiled it for about 35 minutes. I'm going to go ahead now to strain and get the water out. Do not be tempted to discard this. You can also boil this peanut a second time to get juice from it, so it's not wasted. You can store this until it's time to boil the next one. So look at what I have here. This is the color you should be going for. Look at that beautiful peach. Is it peach or I don't know? This color is so pretty. Look at that beautiful color. So that's what you should be going for. Not too dark, not too light, somewhere in between is fine. Okay, so my recommendation and dosage for this drink is that you take 8 ounces 2 times daily, 1 in the morning on an empty stomach and 1 at night before bed for 5 days. After 5 days, please discontinue use except you want to close up permanently, of which I don't see the reason why you would want that. If you still need some more tightness, you have to wait until a month after the 5th day before you try this again for another 5 days. Please don't make the mistake of exceeding 5 days at a treatment period. This is a very potent drink, and so you don't want to take chances, or you don't want to take the risk of overdoing things, because it might cause more harm than good. Some people suggest that you dip a cotton ball inside and insert. I don't find that to be very helpful. I believe more in what goes on inside. It works more from the inside than from the outside, which is why I said 2 times daily. If you're going to be inserting on the outside, you might take the drink once a day. But because I prefer working things more from the inside, that's why I prefer you take it 2 times a day, 1 in the morning, 1 at night. And it has to be cold. You don't take it when it's hot. Again, what I'm going to recommend is an exercise to strengthen the pelvic wall. It's called the Kegel exercise. In addition to the drink, go ahead and incorporate some Kegel exercise to tighten your pelvic floor muscles. You can do this when you're sitting, standing, or lying down. In fact, you can make them a part of your daily routine. Do them when you're brushing your teeth, when you're driving to work, eating dinner, or even watching TV. All you need to do is to make sure your bladder is empty, then sit down or lie, or however you want to position yourself. Tighten your pelvic floor muscles. You have to hold it tight and count 3 to 5 seconds. Relax the muscles slowly and then count another 3 to 5 seconds when relaxing the muscles. Do this repeatedly for about 10 times, 3 times in a day. There are lots of videos here on YouTube on how to do the Kegel exercise. So you have to do the Kegel exercise for at least a month to see effective results. So which is why I do not recommend inserting this into the vagina. All you got to do is drink this twice a day. Do the Kegel exercise for like a month. And then I assure you, if you follow these guidelines, your womanhood will be tighter than you've ever known it to be. And your partner would definitely notice the difference. Okay, lovelies, I hope you did find today's video useful. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you're notified when I have beautiful uploads like this. Also, do not forget to share this video to as many women as possible. Let me know what you think in the comment section if you have tried this before and it worked for you. Okay, folks, until I come your way next time, keep loving, keep serving, and keep staying positive. Bye.